Hi everybody. I thought I'd do a little how to record house points video to introduce it to KG, who have never been part of the house system before, to refresh Key Stage 1's memories because they've been working on a slightly different system up until now, and as a little bit of a refresher for years 3 to 6. So it's the end of the week, so I am opening up my can I make this bigger? Yes, no I can't. Right, I'm opening up my Class Dojo and looking at my points for this week. So my top 15 people. Saud's got the most on 27. Then I've got Haytham also on 27. Leah on 26. Then I've got Daoud on 21. Abdullah's on 18. Yusuf's got 13. Farida's got 13. Zazafun's got 12. Riham has got 11. Sama's got 10. Malak's got 10. Rital's got 9. And Nur A's got 5, and so has Al Muzan, and so has Salam. So they're my top 15 kids for this week. Okay, so I'm going to record that on a class list with their houses on it. So I've got Saud has got 1. Haytham's got 1. Sorry. Leah's got 1. Daoud's got 1 today. Abdullah's got 1. Yusuf's got 1. Farida's got 1. Zazafun's got 1. Reham's got 1. Sama's got 1. Malak's got 1. Rital. Nur A. Salam. And Al Muzan. Okay, so this step is going to go, you're going to put straight onto SharePoint, and those templates haven't been created yet, so we'll talk about that at the beginning of next year, but it will basically be like this. So once I have got all of those people's house points in, I count up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oryxes who've got house points. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hawks who've got points. I've got 1 scorpion who's got a house point this week, and I've got 1, 2, 3 dolphins, and that should add up to, yeah, that adds up to 15. So I've got that right. So what I'm going to do then is have a template like this, and all I'm going to do is put in that I've got 6 oryxes, 5 oryx hawk house points, 1 scorpion house point, and 3 dolphin house points. And then I'm going to send that to me, because I will take those pieces of information and record it in the in this spreadsheet. Which I can't find. There we are. Record it as I have been doing up until now on the spreadsheet, and adding up the totals every week. Okay, so to go back to the beginning, how do we work out house points? You're going to look at your homeroom only and work out the 15 children with the most house points, or the 10 children if you're in year 6 or KG with the most house points. You are going to, not that one, you are going to give them a house point. Sorry, you're going to record the 15 children with the biggest number of dojo points, and you're going to give them each a house point. You're going to record this on a class list on StaffShare, which has yet to be designed. You are going to send to me a record of how many Oryx house points you've given out, how many Hawk house points, how many Scorpion house points, and how many Dolphin house points you've given out. And I will record that and work out who is the winning house each week. I really hope that's okay. Don't worry, I will, for those of you who are new to the system, I will take you through it every step of the way and send out reminders, and hopefully it won't be too tricky to get into the habit of doing this every Thursday. Okay, thanks everybody.